our fourth episode, it's all about a guy who is an aspiring video editor. He is Leo, single, and he graduated with a bachelor's degree in mass communication from a university. He worked as a call center agent in a BPO company. Because video editing is his passion, he always tries to apply as a video editor to some TV companies or a small-time production company, but there's no luck. He realized to make some video presentations for his sample portfolio to present for his job applications for a video editor position. So, he did some 3D animations and mini infomercials. He saw a job posting that is perfect for his skills and study. The company is an advertising agency, so he sends his CV, cover letter, and his sample videos. The company called and interviewed him and passed the initial screening. But the company told him to make a sample video presentation with a female presenter for a commercial. So, he posted a one-time job vacancy for a female video presenter on a job search website. Many female applicants send their CVs and cover letter. Leo is amazed, realizing that this is also an opportunity for him to meet the girl of his dreams since he was single. So, he chooses the best applicant. And he chooses Elia. Elia is an aspiring artist and model. She's tall, beautiful, kind, and graduated with a bachelor's degree in photography from a university. Same as Leo, she always tries auditioning on TV commercials and modeling, but there's no luck. Leo called Alia to meet up to talk about the project for a sample video for a commercial. Leo has a studio for the video presentation for the shoot, so he told Alia to bring her brother or sister to accompany her because it's awkward if they do the presentation alone. Alia brings her brother to accompany her. They practice and take video shoots. After the video shoot, Leo paid Alia for her effort and the video presentation was awesome. Leo gets back to the advertising company that interviewed him to show his sample video presentation. Leo got hired as a video editor, and the interviewer told him if he can contact her presenter, Alia, because the company needed a full-time presenter for their commercials. So, he contacted Alia. They both got hired by the same company and they both got their dream job. So, Leo and Alia decided to have a date to celebrate their victory and eventually, they became a couple.